Hello everybody. We were discussing about kingdom Protista and it is classified into 5 parts. The fifth group is Protozoans. So Protozoans are basically heterotrophs, predator or parasites. These are heterotrophs. That means no chlorophyll is found, no autotrophic mode of nutrition. And they might be predator, that means they hunt on the other organisms, they feed on the other organisms, or parasite, that means they live on the body of the host. So either predator or parasite protozoans are. And it is believed that they are primitive relatives of animals. Protozoans are what? Animal like. Basically characteristics of animals are found in protozoans. So it is believed that these are the primitive relatives of animals, or you can say ancestors of animals. The animals came into existence after the protozoans. Then next is what are the different types of protozoans? There are basically 4 types of protozoans. Number 1, amoeboid protozoan, in which basically amoeba and antamoeba are found. Examples are amoeba and amoeba. So amoeboid protozoans, they are found in the fresh or seawater and moist soil. So basically they are found nearby the water bodies or in the water, and they are having pseudopodia for locomotion, pseudopodia for taking in food. Pseudopodia, if you can recall structure of amoeba, it's what is the structure of amoeba? It's like this, irregular kind of shape. Why there is irregular shape? Because the body surface, cell membrane, this is single cell of course, and the cell membrane is the body surface. So cell membrane folds itself and makes a false fate, that is called pseudopodia, and that pseudopodia helps in of course movement, as well as whenever they sense some kind of food, then with the help of pseudopodia it intakes food inside its cell, inside its body. Okay, and there is a disease caused because of such kind of amoeboid protozoans, that is amoebiosis. Amoebiosis is a disease caused by Entamoeba histolytica. And in amoebiosis the symptoms are basically it's you can say diarrhea like dysentery, uh, that means dehydration you can say. And why it happens, क्यों होता है ये? Because of intake of water which is having Entamoeba histolytica. This is infectious, that cause infection in the colon, in the large intestine. Okay. Then next is the flagellated protozoans. Flagellated, as its name suggests, it is having flagella. क्या होता है इसमें? Flagella. And flagella is what here, like outgrowth from the body. That flagella might be one or more than one in number, and it helps in movement. It's free living or parasites. Free living means found anywhere and might be parasites in the body of some organism. And this there is a disease caused by a kind of flagellated protozoan, that is trypanosoma, and that disease is sleeping sickness. In this disease basically there is fever, headache kind of situation. Now the third one is ciliated protozoans. Cilia is there for movement. Thousands of cilia might be on the surface of the body or of the single cell. Ciliated protozoans are aquatic and actively moving because they are having thousands of cilia which helps in movement, so they move very fast, very much active, and of course found in the water. And in its body there is a cavity or gullet we can say. In that cavity cilia helps basically cilia push water inside that cavity, inside that gullet, and along with water its food enter in the body, in the single cell. So cavity is the space where all water and food goes inside with the help of cilia. And the example is paramecium. Paramecium body is having lots of cilia. Now last one is Sporozosns, Protozoans. Sporozosns. Basically in Sporozosns kind of protozoa, they can bear infectious spore-like stage. In their life cycle, there is a stage which is spore-like stage, which is very much infectious. And example is Plasmodium. You might have heard about Plasmodium vivax, malarial parasite. It causes malaria. And this Plasmodium vivax lives in the body of female Anopheles mosquito. It is parasite in the body of female Anopheles mosquito, and with insect bite it enters in our blood cells and then multiplies rapidly by forming spores, and then malaria is a situation, a disease created, that is having high fever. Fever comes with you can say high with shivering, and fever goes with sweating. So these are sporozoan protists, and this is the most सबसे ज़्यादा खतरनाक वाला जो प्रोटोजोआ होता है, that is Plasmodium, because earlier malaria was a fatal disease. Now it is curable and medicines are also available, but of course from all these if we compare, this is the dangerous one. So this is all about kingdom Protista. We have completed two kingdoms, Monera and Protista, which are unicellular. Now we will discuss about fungi, which are uni as well as multicellular. Thank you.